Hi there, Songbird, Kerri Ho from the songbird.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And I'm so excited. We're at day 13 of 21 days to your new voice. Basically, over the last 13 days, I've been giving you a bite-sized something, to help you cultivate the habit of turning up every day to do something little to transform your voice. And today's one you're absolutely going to love, okay? You're also probably going to laugh your head off at me, but seriously, this is good, okay? I'm going to teach you the doggy pant exercise. Or maybe it's called the silent laughter. Anyway, whatever. Doggy pants, silent laughter, who cares? What it does is phenomenal for your voice, alright? So you know those mornings, well, every morning for me, when you get up and you're froggy, like your voice is just a bit like, froggy. You're not sounding your very best. It seems to be taking a long time to wake up and to, kind of wake up your voice and to warm up your voice as well. Well, this exercise is so good at clearing that up quite quickly, all right? So this is what it is. What you're going to do is you are going to basically laugh, but kind of like it's an inside the throat laugh. It's a silent laughter, okay? But there's a bit of sound as well. So it goes like this. You take a good solid deep breath in, and then you go. And you basically laugh it out until you run out of breath. And you do that a few times. Let's try that again. So we're going to take a good breath in, and then and you just keep going and going until you run out of breath. We're going to do it one more time together. And deep breath in, silent laughter. Until you run out of breath. Alright, now I don't know how that made you feel. You were probably just watching me and laughing, and if that's the case, you've really got to go back and do the exercise with me. But when you do it, what you should almost feel like is that it's like you're smiling inside your throat. It is such a good feeling. It feels like everything has just expanded sideways inside the throat. Alright, if you didn't really quite get that feeling before because you weren't aware of that, try it again, and I want you to really observe is what I meant to say, how it feels, because that's how it should feel. And essentially that's what's actually happening. There's this really cool openness that happens, okay? I'm going to explain kind of what exactly is going on in another video, alright? So, but for now, I just want you to go away and try that. So, whenever you want to, whether that's in the morning, getting rid of some of that croakiness in the throat or whatever, or whether it's you're singing a song and when you get to the high notes, you find that you get a bit croaky and a bit crackly, right? Just do that exercise, just go, right? Really get that throat in that space of openness, and then try singing that passage again, trying to maintain that same sense of expansiveness in the throat. And I swear it's going to really make a lot of change. So give it a go. That's your bite-size thing to help you cultivate a habit of turning up to do something small for your voice every single day. So enjoy that one, all right? Now, if you're super keen and you just really want to get a resource that shows you how to warm up your whole voice in the best way possible, the most healthy way possible, click on the link below. You're going to be led to my website to actually download a free my ultimate warm-up guide. So go and get that. That's a really exciting resource that I want you to be able to get your hands on. Otherwise, I shall see you tomorrow for day 14 of 21 days to your new voice. I can't wait. See you then, Songbird. Bye.